Welcome you all in today's Google Zoom classroom. Uh, Once again, welcome you all in today's class. So today also we'll discuss one construction and then I'll try to share you one out problem of geometry. Still, some of the students are coming to our class, so I'm admitting them. So about 24 participants are present today. Let me go with the slide. So I don't want to waste the time. Still 8 people are waiting. So let's start today's class with one construction. Okay, construction question goes like this. Construct a parallelogram CDEF having one angle CDE equal 60 degree, which is equal in area with a triangle ABC having sides, you have seen here, having sides BC equal 6 centimeter, AC equal 5.5 centimeter, and AB equal 5 centimeter. So still five students are waiting. I request all the participants to join in time, so don't be late, so that we can run the class smoothly. So first of all, we are going to sketch the rough figure. So let's try to draw the rough figure. So as you have seen here, so triangle. First of all, we need to construct a triangle. Uh, so before constructing the triangle, uh, we need to see the common. So common between triangle and parallelogram we have seen here, CDEF and ABC, which is the common. Only one is the common vertex between these two. So C is the common vertex, and we need to keep the common vertex in the down part, bottom part. Uh, so we can choose either in left or right. So I have chosen in the right side, right bottom. So this is the common C, and other we need to keep in a serial way, ABC. So which measurement is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 6 centimeter respectively. Uh, so AC must be 5.5. I have taken 6. So here I have done a slight error. So we can draw this as 6, no problem. So next we need to construct a parallel line, and then we need to take a middle point D, and in this half part we need to construct uh, parallelogram CDEF. So having one angle 60 degrees. This is the rough sketch. This is the rough sketch which we are going to construct. Now we will move to the actual figure. For that, uh, first of all, this one is the rough sketch you have seen here. This one is the uh, rough sketch. Now we will try to construct this. So I request all the students to be in time now after this. So actual figure, how to construct actual figure. You can go with copy, pencil, and compass along with me. First of all, let's draw BC. BC. Let's draw BC. BC having a measurement 6 centimeter in a scale, with the help of a scale. So I have taken BC of 6 centimeter, and then 8B, 8B, we need to find out the vertex A. For that, uh, keeping B as center, take an arc of radius 5 centimeter. Take an arc of radius 5 centimeter. Some of the students are doing along with me. So I'm very happy with those who are going to construct along with me. So this is the arc taken B as center. Uh, so from B, we have taken, this is the arc from B, from B. Have you seen there from B? Again, taking C as a center, take an arc of radius 6 centimeter. This is the arc taken from C. This is the arc taken from C. So keeping C as center with radius 6 centimeter, we need to take another arc. This is the arc of radius 6. Uh, take a measurement in a scale. Now with the help of a scale in your compass, and take this arc. So give the name A. This is the vertex A. So join AB and AC. These are respectively 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. We are able to construct a triangle.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you are able to
Sorry.
construct after
Yes,
this,
sir.
then we will get uh, one mark. One mark. So Baman sir is
Yes,
going
sir.
to share something. So is there any problem, Baman sir?
सर एकपटक त्यो च्याट बक्समा हेर्नुस् न, मैले तपाईँलाई एउटा
Baman sir,
मेसेज पठाएको छु।
I haven't listened you. I
मैले
haven't listened
तपाईँलाई
you.
मैले मैले तपाईँलाई मेसेज पठाएको छु, एकपटक च्याट बक्स।
Baman sir.
सर, would you please check the chat box
Sorry,
there?
Baman sir, I haven't
Chat box.
hear you. So I have taken only 30 minutes today as the class. So I don't want to waste the time. So we will discuss later on. Sorry for the interruption. So we are able to construct ABC. Now we need to take a middle point D. How to take a middle point? For that, uh, for that, taking B as center, take an arc from B with suitable radius, whose measurement must be a little bit more than half of this BC. That means more than 6 centimeter, more than 6 centimeter. From B, we need to take an arc up and down, up and down. This is the arc, two arcs taken from B, taking B as center. So I have taken two arcs from B up and down uh, with radius more than 3 centimeter, more than half of this. So again, same, with the same radius, take two arcs cutting the previous arcs from C, taking C as center, taking C as center from this, keeping the tip of your compass at C, take two arcs like this. So give mark a point on those two arcs and draw a line, draw a line, draw a line. So this one is the middle point D. This one is the middle point D. D. So we can give the name D. Uh, D. So we are able to get point D as middle point. After this, we need to construct one parallel line through A, which is parallel to BC. How to construct a parallel line through A from BC, making alternate angles equal. So we'll take one angle over here, C, and we'll take another angle at A, and we make these two angles equal. Then if these two angles are equal, this looks like alternate angles, and then the line will be parallel. So for that, keeping C as center, take an arc of suitable radius, of any radius, uh, suitable radius. I have informed you, with a suitable radius, take an arc this, taking arc this, taking C as center. After that, with the same radius, take this arc from A, taking A as center, take this arc. This is the arc taken from, taking from A with the radius equal to this arc, equal to this previous arc. So now measure these 2 points, measure this arc, measure this arc, measure this arc. Have you seen here? Measure this arc. I have highlighted this arc with the help of compass, with the help of compass, with the help of compass. Keep one tip over here, keep tip of compass here, and pencil here, and measure this arc with the help of your compass. And taking center as this, taking center as this, keep the tip of your compass over here at this point and cut this arc. If we cut like this is the arc, taking this as center. I have focused this with the cursor of the mouse. So taking this as center, we have taken the arc this, we have taken the arc this. So give the point, mark a point over here. If we join A and this point, A and this point, then this will be the parallel line. Why? Because this angle is equals to this angle. So alternate angles are equal, so lines are parallel. Now remain to draw 60-degree line, 60-degree line. So at D, we need to construct a 60-degree line. For that, take an arc. We all know how to construct a 60-degree. So we need to draw 60-degree facing towards C. Because common is C, so facing towards C, we need to construct 60-degree angle. So facing towards C means we need to take one point here and take an arc. This is the arc of 60 degree. So give the point and draw a line. This is the 60-degree line. This is the 60-degree line. We have drawn this as 60-degree line. So take an arc from here, keeping here. We know how to construct 60 degree. So we have drawn one line 60 degree. And this point intersect, give the point this, and this is the another vertex. This is the vertex E. Now remain to find out vertex F. So we all know opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. Opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. So DE must equals to CF. So measure DE with the help of compass. Measure DE with the help of compass and taking C as center, take an arc. This is the arc taken C as center with radius equal to DE. First of all, measure DE. Students, first of all, measure DE with the help of your compass and keep the tip of your compass at C and take an arc. This is the arc taken C as center, okay? And give the point, and this will be the line joining these two, and this will be the F. This is CDEF parallelogram whose area is equal to triangle ABC. How? Let me explain you. If we join A and D will be the median because this 60 and D is the middle point. So AD will be the median and ADC will be half of angle triangle ABC because median bisect the triangle. So again, ADC will be the half of parallelograms. They are standing on the same base. In the third step, we can say ABC triangle equals to CDEF parallelogram. So remain to conclude the construction. So this is the conclusion in form figure. CDEF is the required parallelogram whose area is equal to the triangle ABC. This is the end of the construction. So thank you for listening me. I haven't asked any questions to the students. So I have taken only limited time today, only 30 minutes. So these are the questions for you as work at home. So you can take a screenshot. So take a screenshot. Uh, now I will show you uh, one problem, one out problem, one out problem. So this one is the problem that we are going to discuss today. Out problem. So I request all my dear students to be in time. So so this is the question. Two chords PM and LN of a circle are produced to meet at a point Q, and if O is the center of the circle lying on the chord LM and LM equal MQ, then prove that PN equal NQ and ON equal PQ. These two parts we need to prove. So we haven't given the figure. The question is like this. So we need to sketch the figure ourselves. So let me go ahead. First, number 1 point of the solution figure. So we need to construct a figure. So take a circle. And take one chord producing PM and another chord Ln producing up to Q as given in the question, which is meet at a Q. After this, we have joined Lm LM. So center must be on the chord LM. So I have taken O center as uh, center O on the chord LM. After that, PN, we have joined PN because we need to show PN equal ANQ. For that, we need to join PN. After this, we have also asked to show ON parallel to PQ. So ON, we need to join. This is the information that we can grab from the questions. This is the figure. So let's go ahead. Given to given. So given part, I have copied from the questions, same. Uh, so number third. So number third, to prove part also given in the question. So proof. And now moving to the proof. Uh, Proof. So I have copied this. Uh, I have copied this. Sorry, many students coming late to join. Uh, so be on time, please. Be on time. So proof. Now, shall we start proof? Uh, so proof. So first of all, let's see. Make a table. You can go along with me. So first thing we can see here is we have given LM equal MQ in the question. So we can say this MLN equal MQN, MQN, MQN. Let me ask to one of our students why we can say these two equal. Why? Because these two are base angles of this isosceles triangle. So we can say this MLN equal MQL because being base angles of the isosceles triangle MQL with LM equal MQ as I have told you. So next step, can we see any other angles equal over here? So let me ask one of our students. So where are our students? Uh, Let me ask one is one. Mamta Gimire, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
So I haven't listened to you. Next, what may be the next step, next point? Can you guess? Okay, I will tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. Next, we can see P, angle P, MPN. And MPN angle is equal to which angle? We have learned many theorems in circle. So using the
MLN.
theorems of the circles, this angle equals to which angle? This angle equals to
MLN.
L angle because these two angles are inscribed angles formed on same arc MN. So next point we can use is this angle equals to this angle MLQ equals to NPM. Why? They are formed on same arc MN of a circle. So we can say these two angles are equal. Combining this one and two, we can write which is angles equal. Angle P equal angle Q in short. MPN angle equal MQL. This angle and this angles are equal. This angles and this angles are equal. Why? From statement 1 and 2 because these two angles are equal. That means these two angles must be equal. From statement 1 and 2, we can say this angle equals to this angle. Here we have seen these two angles equal. Then what must be the uh, type of triangle P and Q. Which type of triangle? Base angles equal, these two angles equal, then the sides opposite to the equal angles are also equal. So we can say P and equal and Q. Because base angles equal, then the triangle must be isosceles. So next step we can say that next step we can share that uh, fourth P and equals to N Q region. Can you write your region? Write the region yourself. So opposite sides of the equal angles are also equal. So if two angles are equal, then side opposite to those equal angles in a triangle must be equal. So this is the proof of first part, I part. So still some of the students are uh, coming to our class. Uh, so we have proof I part, Cn equal and Q. Now moving to double I part. Again, we have another double I part. So for that, again, I have copied the figure and proof. So as an statement. So we need not to make this table again uh, because so this is the only one theorem. So if I and double I sub questions are given, we need not to copy time and again the same table. So I have copied here because you don't know where is SN, where is statement, where is reasons. I have this must be reasons. I have written this as statement. Sorry. So you can recorrect this one. Here must be the reason. Uh, so while typing, I have made a mistake. Uh, so let's move to this part. So have you seen here? These two are also equal, isn't it? Now, so have you seen here? This I have taken this O and L. O and L equals to O L N. Why these two are equal? Why these two are equal? These two are also base angles of these isosceles triangles OLN, because this is a small triangle and OL and ON are radius of the same circle. So OL equal ON. So this is isosceles triangle. So base angle must be equal. So we can take this as base angles of isosceles triangle OLN. So next step. Next step, have you seen here? Next step. Next step, what we can do? So this angle equals to this angle. We have already shown this angle equals to this angle. This L angle equals to Q angles. We have already shown equal in the first step. In the step 5, in the statement 5, we have shown L angle equals to this N angle. So we can say N angle and Q angle equal, because from statement combining statement 1 and 5, we can say this O and L equal MQL, because this angle equals to this angle, and again this angle equals to this angle. That means these two angles are also equal. We are going to show these angles as equal, because this is the reason of this is from statement 1 and 5, from statement 1 and 5. So in one we have shown L angle equals to Q angle, and in the step 5, statement 5, we have shown N angle equals to L angle. That means we can say N angle equals to Q angle. So I have shown here MQN equals to O and L from statement 1 and 2. So can we say now these two lines parallel? These two angles are equal. What sort of angles are these two? I'm going to ask this with one of our students. Uh, Pravesh, 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 are you listening me? Pravesh Pokhrel.
Yes, sir.
So today we have a problem. So I haven't listened any students. Only 10 minutes we have. So we can say these two angles equal because, so these two angles are equal. So these two are corresponding angles. We have seen this just like F, corresponding angles, this and this, in the lines, in a pair of lines, ON and MQ. So we can say ON equals to parallel to PQ because corresponding angles are seen equal in statement 6, not 1 and 2, in statement 6. I'm sorry. So reason of this is, I'm going to recorrect this. So this is from statement, in the statement 6 we have seen corresponding angles are equal. So this is the proof of the out theorem. So thank you very much for being with me and listening to me. So let me give you one question to you, one out theorem to you as work at home. So if you are unable to solve, tomorrow I will solve this problem. So one question for you, one out theorem for you. So you can copy or you can take a screenshot. So I haven't given you the figure of this. So two chords AF and CE of a circle intersecting at A are produced up to the point B and D respectively. If the angle ADC equal angle ABC equal 90 degree, prove that EF equals to DV. You need to construct the figure yourself and you need to solve it yourself. If unable, then tomorrow we will discuss on this out theorem. So first of all, I request all my dear students to solve it, to try to solve this. So if not, then definitely I will solve tomorrow. Thank you very much for being with me. My sir.
Yes, sir.
My sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Today
am
I
listening
haven't
to you.
listened anything from the participants. So many students are with me. So remaining time we have 6 minutes.
I think Provesh was about to ask some question. Yes. Go ahead, Provesh.
So
is it
I think
Provesh?
you have copied this question. So I'm going to stop this screen sharing.
No, someone is asking question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, sir.